Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your German IBAN on the Revolut app. First, open the Revolut app and tap on your account icon. In this example, I'll tap on my Euro account, the one with the blue background. Here, you'll see your international bank account number or IBAN. To copy it, just tap the paper icon next to it, and it will be copied to your clipboard instantly. You can also tap the share button if you want to send your account details to someone. And that's it. That's how you can easily find your German IBAN on Revolut. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.